Well, hello there YouTube. So I just wanted to do a quick video because I just installed the windscreen spoiler, and also I installed the Toolbox. I quite like it, but it was a little bit tricky to install. I drilled holes on the other side, turned the whole thing around and made new holes, new holder places, but it also fits with my shut case, so I can use both at the same time. So other thing, I installed this windscreen. Yeah, and like I said, I just tried it. I don't really like the look of it. That's the first point. So it is working. The wind noise is way better, but the look, I don't know. Give me your opinion in the comments, please. I have ordered 2 other screen spoilers. One from Buick, but yesterday in the mail it was without the mounting system. Just the screen. Great. And I've also ordered another Chinese cheap spoiler thingy with 2 black bars left and right side instead one of the middle. I might try it, but I don't know. A lot of people say the quality of the 2 little holders on the left and right side are way worse than the middle holder. So like I said in the other video, right now I don't want to invest the money for a bigger windscreen, but I do want to reduce the wind noise. So one of the spoiler will stay. Which one? We will see. So for me, on 100 kilometers now, this is way better from the wind noise. And by the way, I'm now at 620 kilometers. So I will have my first inspection on the 18th of May. After the inspection, when I'm back home, there will be just 400 kilometers left till the magic 1500 kilometers, until we can be a little bit mean to the engine. I'm excited for the day when I can drive it without any limitations of the engine. Yeah, the wind noise is way better. I like it, but I still don't like the style. And I will see it when I watch the footage, but right now it feels to me like the mounting of the screen is directly where the camera is pointing at, and this might be something I don't want to keep, because I don't want you guys to see this point of focus, the mounting. If you see only the mounting, I need to change to another windscreen. Alright, so I showed you the Toolbox, I showed you the windscreen. Just a quick video today. I will do a little bit in-depth review of the Toolbox and my shut case system and the windscreen when I arrived, the other 2 windscreens, and maybe tested it for myself a little bit. I think it's at the weekend, like I mean today's Thursday, so it's not that long. So see you in the next days, guys. Ride safe. Just a quick sound check with warm engine, warm exhaust in garage.